Why don't you just turn the one bike upside down on top of the other one? You got 4 people.
Yes.
Right here.
Oh, whoa. It's not easy.
Now,
How do I do this?
You just gotta suck on it.
You suck on it. You're good at that.
fuck you.
You want to suck on it, Aaron?
Oh,
yeah. Fuck.
Move, I got your bike.
I'm high. I'm trying to hold the gas cap from getting dirt in there.
Hurry up and put it in the gas tank. Is it going?
Not at all.
Yeah, you have to keep your end lower than the other one so it pulls pressure through the tank. Does that make sense?
All right, ready? Yeah, hold on. Hold on. Here you go. Take my Ow.
Is it going? Hold it down.
Oh, man. Yeah.
He got gas in his mouth.